Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well today and staying safe. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video and we're going to talk about some summer tops that you can make with crochet that I do have, coincidentally, tutorials on them. Alright, so I'm going to show you like some pictures and then we'll talk about it. And almost all of these are available in multiple sizes. Either I do the math for you and it'll be in the description box of the video, or I tell you how to easily adjust it for your size. And if you look in the description box below, there'll be a playlist and it'll have all these videos in them, plus more as well. So I'm only just doing a few of them. I'm going to show you right now. So why don't we go ahead and start off and check out these pictures right here. Okay, so those are some tops that are pretty solid and they don't require like any undershirt under them. I know a lot of people, some people like lacy tops that you wear undershirts, and some people like more solid. So those are all tops that that you wouldn't really need an undershirt to wear. Now, and they have the first three had sleeves. The last one I showed did not, but you can add sleeves to them, or you can leave the sleeves off of any of these. Now remember, these are all relatively easy. The first one is just a basic tee made with the herringbone stitch, and it's made out of cotton yarn. Multiple sizes available in that. The second one, again, is a basic tee made out of primrose stitch, the purple one. Multiple sizes available in that one as well. The third one, where the gray one there, is a raglan style tee made with the grit stitch. I do believe that's what it's called. I can't remember. I call it a solid houndstooth because it's the single double repeat in a solid color. If you do it in two colors, it's actually a houndstooth. But anyways, it's the raglan style. You can leave that big flower off if you choose, you know what I mean. And again, very easy, multiple sizes available. And that last one you saw there, it didn't have no sleeves, but of course you can add sleeves to that. It is made with side saddle stitch, very easy. So all four of those, all of these tops I'm going to show you are very, very easy. And they can all be adjusted to your liking. You can make them longer, shorter, no sleeves, short sleeves, longer 3/4 sleeves, however you like. The yarn choice as well is up to you, as long as you use the same yarn weight that I used in the video. You can use any type of yarn that you like. All right, so why don't we go ahead and take a look at 4 more tops real quick. Okay, so those 4 tops there, they're very pretty. Those would be ones that would require some type of like cami or tank top underneath it, because some of them do have a little bit of holes in them. So that first one, that red one there that you've seen, was on my mannequin. Her name's Emmy. I use her once in a while. I haven't used her in a while. But yeah, so that as well can be made in many sizes, and you can add sleeves to that if you'd like. And then the next red one is, again, a basic tee, but it is a little bit lacier up top, up front here, open. So that's why I think you'd have to required to wear like a tank or a cami or something like that underneath it. But again, that is a very basic top there. If you didn't want that open, you can continue making it solid, and it'd be very easy to adjust. Now the next one that you see, that is kind of a pinkish color with the holes in it. I really like that top. It is, of the tops, it's probably one of my favorites. I have a few favorites. That's probably one of them though. It does have small holes all the way through it, but it's very, very pretty, and it's made with a cotton yarn. I think it's made with a DK weight. Again, super simple. The sleeves you can make longer or shorter, or leave them off if you choose. And also on all these, the necklines, I do usually say that you can make them wider or in more if you choose. 1, 2, 3. Now that last one you saw there is a purple one. It's made out of Lion Brand Taboo Sparkle, I believe. Now I like that one a lot as well. It has a slight V in the front there. And it's seamed up in 2 pieces down the middle. So it's very easy to make, very size adjustable as well. All right, so why don't we go ahead and look at, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Okay, so those 4 that you saw, the first one there, you might have seen in one of my videos before. I had mentioned that it is my favorite top that I've ever made. It is 3/4 sleeve off the shoulder. Now again, I do tell you in the video how to make it for multiple sizes, how to make it on the sleeves, or on the shoulders, on the shoulders if you choose. And you can make it sleeveless, 3/4 or short sleeve, however you choose. It is made with Lion Brand Scarfy, but of course you could use any other type of, you could use a cotton yarn or something like that to make it more lightweight. Now the next one, the black one, that's a little bit older of a video, but as you can see, it will need a shirt underneath it. It is a bit holey there, like a tank or a tee or cami or something. There are no sleeves on that, but of course you can attach the sleeves as well. Very easy, and you can make the shoulders come in more so it doesn't hang off as much. The pink one is a poncho style top. So it's kind of wide here at the sides. So you can see with, in the picture, my arm's up and it shows that it's pretty wide. And again, it has the V neck as well. It's very easy, very pretty top. And the last one there that I showed you is another top with some holes in it there. So you would need, I usually just wear a thin tank top underneath these types of shirts. You can wear it with a belt or without. If you look at the video, it'll show you pictures of it with the belt and without. Also, I tell you in the video how to add sleeves if you choose and make the neck not so open. So remember, all these that I'm showing you are very size adjustable to any size, and very customizable to your liking. You know, I always say, like in crochet, I lay it out and then you play it out. So I just give you a basic idea of like a simple top there. Now what I do, you don't have to do. You can add sleeves if mine doesn't have sleeves. You can take sleeves off if mine has sleeves. You can bring the neck in, bring the neck out, make it longer, make it shorter. You know, my approach to tutorials is just kind of to teach you how to do it at a basic way, and then you customize it to your liking. Because of course what I like in crochet is not going to be what everybody else likes, but it is my hopes that you're able to customize it to your liking by adding sleeves, taking them away, you know, making the neckline larger like a boat neck, or making it more making it more solid if you choose. So things like that. All right, so now I'm going to move on. I'm going to show you 2 pics real quick. Okay, so those 2 pics were open style tops. So that brown one there, now you can definitely make that longer to where it'd be like a vest style, or you can keep it short like that. As you can see, I have a basic black tee underneath it, and it works well. Very easy to do. And that was made with Taboo as well. Some of these yarns I can't remember what I used, but I think that one was made with Taboo or Naboo, one of those Boo lines of Lion Brand. Now the next one, it does very well on my channel. It's the long duster vest, the green one there. The yarn I use for that is called Lion Brand Low Tide. Now that is no longer made, but that does not mean that you cannot make this. Any 4-weight yarn will work just fine. I might recommend a nice Pima cotton or something, Lion Brand Pima. It's a very nice cotton. and it's relatively inexpensive. Something like that for that vest. It's very easy to put together. It has a very, it's made in 2 separate pieces, sewn up the back in a very unique way. And I think it works well. It's got a few beads here. Of course, leave those off. And you can add some longer sleeves if you choose. All right, so I'm going to show you the next picture real quick. Okay, now that picture, I have to be honest, is not one of my favorite tutorials that I've ever done. I would do things different if I could do it different, because I have seen a lot of people make that on Facebook. People like it, and they make it long like a dress. People are so creative. That's why I like to just do, you know, basic things, and people can just create, you know, change them to their own likings. Like I said, I've seen people use them for swimsuit covers, make them just as it is, like a swimsuit cover. It is a raglan style with basic chain spaces, and you can add sleeves. But I've seen dresses made out of it with like a long slip underneath it, and this goes over it as a dress. It's so beautiful. Like I said, swimsuit covers, all kinds of things made out of that top. So the way that I have it on myself, I wish I would have done it a little different for my body style, but the way that people have changed it and made it their own, and I've seen it on Facebook, is remarkable. People, you guys are amazing when it comes to taking, you know, my basic designs and making them your own. I gotta get, you guys are amazing at that. All right, so we'll go ahead and look at the next one here. Okay, so that's just a basic tank. Now that's probably one of the simplest tops that I have on my channel. All these, like I said, are size customizable. It's very easy to make. It's just double crochet or half double. I can't remember. One of the two, going vertically up and down. I try to do a lot of my tops vertical, but some of them are horizontal. And then the straps are sewed on. So it's super easy, super simple. I mean, great for a beginner to do that one. All right, now why don't we go ahead and look at the remaining 4 picks. Okay, so those are some dresses that I've done. I don't like modeling things that I crochet. I don't like to do that, but I do it for the sake of crochet. So that first one is a dress that I made not too long ago, maybe last year, I can't remember, but it's again a very simple dress. Now that one does not have sleeves, but I actually ran out of yarn. I had intentions of putting sleeves on it, but I ran out of yarn. I was going to put short sleeves on it, but you can wear it either way. And it does have a slight V here. You can wear it with the belt or without. Again, customize it to your liking. Now the next one is kind of like a bodycon dress. I was like super uncomfortable wearing that. Now that's made with the basic shell stitch, and it's very easy to make too. You know, all these things are very easy. A lot of people won't attempt clothing. It really saddens me because they think that they don't have the capability or they're not advanced enough. This stuff is all, I am 100% confident in all of you that you can make any of this stuff if you just follow along with my tutorial. I know that you can. Even if it takes you a few tries, you can make any of it. There is none of it that is too advanced for you. As long as you know the basic single, double, half double, I'll show you how to do the rest. And a lot of these are pretty basic stitches. So that bodycon dress there, like I said, wasn't too comfortable making that, but it did turn out quite well. And it is available in other sizes. Now, the next one is on my mannequin. That was made several years ago, before I decided that I needed to model my own model my own things. I used to use a mannequin, but I don't use it as much anymore. I use myself. But anyway, so that's a very pretty dress. I've seen a lot of people make that and wear a slip underneath it. It's made with Red Heart Unforgettable, but man, it would look good in so many colors. Now I love it looks intricate, but it's not hard at all. You can do it. It's just basic 2 panels that you sew together and put some straps on it. So it's very easy. Now that last one, which is a white dress, is made with the pineapple stitch. Again, not a hard stitch. This particular pineapple is actually quite one of the easier ones to do. And again, it's basic 2 panels. A lot of people have used this one for swimsuit covers. They make it with cotton yarn, and they'll use it for swimsuit covers. Of course, you can use it as the dress. You could shorten it and just make it a shirt. You know, does it have sleeves on it? Add some longer sleeves if you want. Leave it the way it is. But I really like that one a lot. I think it turned out well too. So that's it. You know, that is some summer ideas for you for clothing. Now remember, if you look in the description box, there's going to be a playlist, and it's going to have all these in it and more, because I didn't show them all that I have. Almost all of my clothing is size adjustable. If I don't do the math for you in the description box, like I said, usually I tell you how to make it bigger on your own. And please know that you can do these. You can do them. I'm 100% certain, and I look forward to seeing pictures of these that you guys have made on my Facebook page or on my Instagram. I love to look at pictures, and I like it when you take something like a basic tee or something of mine and you change it a little bit. You know, you leave the sleeves off and make it your own, or you change the neckline a little bit, make it your own. Remember, I lay it out, you play it out to your likings, because all these are not going to appeal to everybody. But remember, you can change them to where they appeal to you. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you find at least one of these videos useful, and that you make them and show me a picture. All right, links to my Facebook and everything below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and leave me a comment below. That really helps out, and I appreciate you taking the time to look over these tutorials with me. Sometimes tutorials get lost in the mix, and I thought I would bring some summer tops to light. And remember, any of these, you got them. Okay? You can do them. See you guys in my next video. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.